Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson EcoTank L3211, and now I can show you how to copy documents in color on this device. If you want to copy document in color, so first you need to open the scanner lid and then insert the card you want to copy. Of course, on this side you need to have the information you want to copy. For example, here I have the paper card, and if I want to copy this side of the paper, I need to locate it in this way. Cool. And this side will not be copied, but will be copied this colored side. Close the lid and click on the blue button. And after that, your page will be scanned and copied in color. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.